So Microsoft just launched a new update for Windows 10 called April 2018 update. It's also known as Spring Creator update, but unfortunately, like every time, people are getting update error. So there are two easy way to fix it. First one is installing the update using Windows 10 Update Assistant, and the second one is installing the update using Windows Media Creation tool, which will require a pen drive. In this video, I will show you both of them, so stay tuned. So first go to search bar and search for CMD, and right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator, and on the CMD type this code and press enter. And how to do is it will turn off the Windows update service for temporarily, and then just minimize the CMD. Then go to search again and type %temp% and open it, and remove all the file here. Those are some temporary files from previous Windows update and other applications. Skip those files and continue, and that should be enough. Now go to File Explorer and local disk C, and then select Windows, and from there search for software distribution at the bottom, and enter there, and here is the download folder. Delete this folder and all the files it has. Actually those files are previous Windows update files, so you won't need it. By deleting it, you will get free 5 to 6 GB space. Now go to Google and search for Windows 10 Update Assistant, and enter, and go to the first site, and from there click on the second link. Now click on Update Now button. This is for the Windows 10 April 2018 update. After downloading, open it, and as you can see, it's showing me dialog for the Windows 10 update. Click on Update Now button and next, and it will take 1 to 2 hours to download. Depends on your internet speed. So you can minimize it and work on your computer now. After downloading, click on Restart Now to install the update. It will take 20 to 30 minutes to install the update. After restarting the computer, go to search and search for CMD again, and enter this command and press enter. So this will start the Windows 10 service again. As you can see, it's successful. Now close it. As you can see, my Windows 10 is now updated to your latest version, April 2018 update. It has a glossy effect on hover, and there is also a glossy effect here. And on the privacy settings, you can manually set for microphone, notification, camera, and location. On apps, there is your apps, and startup apps are also here, and there is also a feature called share in the system folder. Here you can see, and share experiences, and you can share files between computers using this feature. If Windows Assistant update step did not work for you, then this is for you. First enter your USB pen drive, and then you can see, then go to Google and search for Windows 10 Media Creation tool, and from the first website go to the link and open it, and then here you can see the bottom, click on download tool now, and after downloading, open the software and run it, and it will ask you to accept it. Click on accept and wait a few seconds, and select create installation USB, the second option, and then select USB flash drive and click on next, and select the USB pen drive you just entered, and that's it. It will take 30 to 1 hour to download the Windows update. After the download is completed, open the USB drive and open the setup file, and this your Windows manual Windows installation should be started. I hope this video helped you. Please give a like to the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.